Right, let's try the CD trick again. You just zoom in a bit. Okay, the old scratched CD. Just put it in here. You're gonna aim for that chicken's head. Okay, let's see. Saw this trick performed by Morne Waller once. He made it look like a piece of pie. Anyway, I didn't have the same luck. But you never know your luck in the big city. Keep on trying. Let's see if we can do it today. Exium X Pro. Come on, man. You can do it. I think I got it. I think I got it. Perfect. CD is perfect. Took the chicken off. And there's the CD. Let me just show you the side as well. CD, perfect. 100%. Exium X Pro. If it looks like a pro, shoots like a pro, I suppose it is a pro. I'm chuffed.